ATM, in this video we will be recapping our trades and analyzing why we did hit our stop losses and why did we hit our take profit. This would be the signals or the review of signals and trade signals which were given from 7 till 11 September. So let's begin. The market did start at some around, or the initially when the market in our weekly forecast we did highlight a descending channel and we were expecting a bearish momentum entering the market. We have highlighted this as descending channel in our weekly forecast. This particular descending channel. So the market did open at some around 1939 and we were expecting bearish momentum, and thus we have given a signal to go long. If we didn't see a retest towards this particular support zone, we did see on 8 September. However, initially we were bearish and we haven't gone for any trading opportunities. Thus, we did see a bearish momentum. We have given signal to go long some around in a range of 1907 till 1903 on a retest towards this particular support zone, which we have highlighted. And we have also given an bearish signal if we did see a breakthrough this particular support zone. However, we were more bullish and we did see the market did respect our analysis. Moreover, we have then gone for long some around here. We hit our take profit some around our first take profit, which was some around 1939. Then we did see a bearish momentum entering the market, and some around 1924 we did give an other signal to go long on 9 September. However, the traders who have accumulated their long have within 3 to 4 hours have hit their take profit. Then we were expecting a bullish momentum in the market. However, for around 20 to 25 hours we did see that the market was in a consolidation range and we did not see any significant momentum. That was our negligence. We do not see any bullish momentum entering in the market. However, we did see that the market was trading in a sideways move. Then on my forecast on 10 September, we did highlight bullish momentum entering in the market, and we can potentially see a retest towards some around 1963, as this was the major resistance zone as highlighted in my weekly forecast. We did see that, and then since then we did see a bearish momentum entering in the market. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.